Hey guys, and welcome to MPS tips video. In today's video I want to show you what's new in MPS 5.535, and if you guys have a lower version, you are welcome to run your MPS update to update the MPS software. Okay, the update that I'm talking about today is about targets. Let me expand the side panel and you can see that we have additional line here that says the targets, and then we have some number / number / and some another number. So what this mean? This means that you can set up to 3 targets for this pattern, and this also means that you can set your own number. For example, if you wish to set target 1 as 1-to-1 risk to reward, target 2 as 2-to-1 risk to reward, and you don't want your target 3 to be displayed, then you need to type it this way: 1, 2, and 0. So you see target 1, target 2 appeared, and these targets have those ratios as you set. These ratios are based on risk. That's why if you change your stop loss, let's say to 113, yes, your target distance will change as well according to the proportions that you set. For example, you wish to set this as half 0.5 target, and you don't want any other targets to be displayed. That's why you set them 0 to 0. It makes absolutely no difference if you type your first target in the last position and you type your third target in the first position. So it makes absolutely no difference where you type them. Okay, as I told you, you can set this for each and every pattern. All 16 patterns can be running their own targets. Okay, this is very handy if you have different patterns with different parameters. Well, as usual, you can set your targets both in graphic user interface with this side panel, and you can also hard-code them in the indicator settings, and these targets will be used as default. So let's go to MPS properties. Let us find the pattern. For example, this is the first pattern, and here we have a default setting of 2.500. This means only one target with 2.5 ratio. So if we apply that, we will have that our pattern 1 has 2.500 target parameters as default ones. Okay, well, if you don't have this option in your MPS version, this means that your MPS version is the old one. That's why you need to run your MPS update center to update your version. And until then, good luck and good trading. I hope to see you soon.